and thank you for joining me here at Library Land for this special mission. So on your mission board for summer reading, this is a do-it-yourself or a DIY spa day. You're going to be able to make your own sugar scrub using everyday simple ingredients. That's great because in the summertime, if you're anything like Miss Solari, you love to be outside. I love to go for walks, I love to go to the beach or the pool, and sometimes my skin can feel a little dry, especially from all the sun tan lotion and the chlorine or salt water from going swimming. So this sugar scrub is going to help you exfoliate and keep your skin naturally supple and moist without using a lot of extra chemicals. So what you're going to need for this is some really simple ingredients. Some regular granulated sugar that you would bake with, a neutral oil like canola oil or olive oil, and honey. And if you want to add something special, you could add to make it smell really rich and aromatic, you could add an extract. We have extracts in the grocery store, usually for baking, vanilla extract, peppermint, lemon, coconut. Because it's summertime and this is going to be more of a tropical body scrub, we're using coconut extract. Just like with food coloring, extract goes a long way. You just need a few drops. It smells so good. I wish we had smell-o-vision and that you were able to smell this coconut extract. So to get started, I pre-measured everything we need. We have a couple cups of sugar, anywhere between 1.5 to 2 cups. Then oil can stain, so you want to add it in and pour it in slowly, about 1/2 cup. I'm not going to add all of it at once. I'm going to pour about half in, and I'm going to mix it. It's making it, as you mix, a really pretty golden pale yellow. Then, since we have a couple cups of sugar, I'm going to add in a little bit of the rest. And you're just going to mix it all in. I still have a little extra because I don't want it too wet, because we're still going to add a little bit of honey and coconut oil, which is a liquid. So what we're going to do next is we're going to add just a little bit of honey. And that's just to also sort of help the smell. Olive oil doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't have a sweet smell. It almost smells like you're cooking. And then to make it summertime, a few drops of coconut oil. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a clear container with a lid, and you're going to want to pack it in a clear container with a lid or a mason jar. I like to keep mine in the fridge, and it usually lasts me a couple weeks. And then what you could do is you take just a little bit of the sugar scrub, it's nice and cool, and I like to rub it wherever I just feel dry, and it helps exfoliate and make my skin really soft. And I usually do this in the bathroom, and then I just take a washcloth and I wipe it down with some nice warm water. I like to rub it on my arms and my legs, especially after being in the sun all day. It actually smells really nice and clean and refreshing. And because of the olive oil and the honey, my skin feels soft, and the sugar is going to help get rid of any dead skin cells or debris. Thanks for joining us with this special mission. I hope you make your own sugar scrub. This is Miss Solari signing off. Bye-bye.